very like this is like my little hidden secret. It's called Yondu. It's pretty much soy sauce, cracked out soy sauce, but it's purely vegetable extracts, no gluten. So this is almost like a tamari kind of esque, but a little bit more bougier. It's very flavorful, very intense. It reminds me almost of like a shiro shoyu. In terms of like soy sauces that people are more aware of. You could even mix this with just a little bit of water or water in this, and you'll make an instant like killer broth. Like it's mind blowing. You have to try this. When I found this, oh my god, the orange is the intense one, and then like the green one. Like I use both.
Yeah, that's intense.
Yeah, like there's two. So there's a red one which is new. I haven't tried, but then there's orange, green. Green is the lighter version. Orange is the more like the richer, more like stronger. So depending on like what I'm seasoning, if I want something to be a little bit light with like a lesser soy sauce umami, I'll go with the green. If I want something that's like gonna pack a punch and like have a lot of flavor, I'll go with the orange.